Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to install RStudio. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. To install RStudio on your computer, you have to have R already installed. So make sure you have installed R already. And after that, open a web browser and navigate to the RStudio website. Click on the link that appears on the screen. Once the site opens up, scroll down and click on the download option. Now choose the appropriate version of your operating system, either Windows, Mac or Linux. And now download the installer file and save it to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, open the downloaded file to start the installation process. Now follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. And once it's installed, you can go ahead and tap on the Finish option. With this, your RStudio will be downloaded. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.